Guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, in today's video, you're gonna want to watch till the end because, guys, I'm not joking. This app that I'm about to show you is absolutely mind-blowing. It came out like a couple weeks ago, and everybody's hopping on it right now, guys. And you guys have to hop on it right now because, trust me, guys, I'm very, very positive that this app will either decrease their payment amount or they will just delete the app at some point because it's giving so much money. I'm not even joking, guys, and it's so simple. Just watch till the end and you guys can get free money so quick. I know that seems like every other YouTuber, right? Oh, I get $100 quick. Oh, I get $100 in under 24 hours. Guys, I'm not joking. This app legit gives $100 in under 24 hours. You just gotta watch this video. I'm not even joking, guys. Let's get into it. Okay, so the app that I'm talking about is an app that came out, like I said, a couple weeks ago, and it's called Zynn. That's Z-Y-N-N, okay? And you can get it on the App Store and the Google Play Store. So if you're on iOS or Android, you can get it on both. Now, you have to live in the US. I'm sorry for anyone who doesn't live in the US, but this app is only for people who live in the US and Canada, okay? So if you live in those two places, you can indeed use the app and get money from it. So, guys, let's talk about this app. This app is an app, it's basically like TikTok, but you watch videos and you get paid for watching videos. Now, that's not where most of the money is going to be coming in from, okay? Because you can earn up to $1 per day watching the videos, okay? But that's not where you're going to get the most money. Obviously, $1 a day is that's not really good, okay? It's not really a lot of money. All right, where are we talking about the big bucks? Guys, let's hop into the app and I'm going to show you. All right, guys, I'm actually recording my screen right now on my phone so you guys can see what I'm actually looking at. So, guys, here's the app right here. It's called Zynn. This is what the logo looks like. And, guys, this app is insane and I'm about to show you why. So, let's go into the app, guys. So, what you're going to do is create an account, okay? After you've signed up and you've created an account, you're then going to come here and use my invite code, guys, because it's going to help you out, okay? You're going to come here to this main page here, which you can just click the little present at the bottom to get to this page. And what you're going to do is click where it says enter referral code of your friend, okay? Where it says enter referral code of your friend, click go, okay, guys? And once you click go, enter my referral code right here, W4RCBCR in all caps, guys, okay? Click confirm, and boom, you guys have just helped me out on this app, and you've also helped yourself out by getting started. So, guys, I'll leave this code down below as well. So yeah, make sure you guys do use my code right there. I do appreciate anyone who does it because it's awesome, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money with this. Let's go. Alright, so, as you can see, I have $15 on the app, and I just got this app yesterday. Now, I haven't really done good on this app, okay? I haven't really been using it that much other than watching videos, but basically, what you guys can do, as you can see here on the front page, it says invite 5 friends to the app, and you earn $110. Guys, what? Alright, so if you invite 5 people to the app, it could be your friends, family, it doesn't matter. Okay, if you invite 5 people, just 5, you get $110. You can actually cash this out for PayPal money or any other gift cards that they have. Okay, there's so much to do, guys. This is absolutely insane. Keep watching because this is crazy. So, invite 5 friends to earn $110. I've invited 3 friends so far. Okay, and basically how it works, every friend you invite to the app, you earn $6. I'm not joking, guys. That's crazy. Every single person you invite to the app, you earn $6. And I'm not joking, guys, because here, look, I have payment proof right here. Let's go to cash, and as you can see, pending. I have 1 pending. It usually takes 1 to 2 days for it to unpend, but as you can see, 2 of them have been accepted right here. There's $6 and there's $6. So 2 of them have been accepted, and I now have $15 because of this. And I still have another 6 coming on the way, as well as another $1 from my friends watching videos. This is crazy, guys. I'm not even joking. This is so crazy. Like, this app has to be the highest paying app of 2020 so far, guys. So keep watching till the end because, guys, I'm literally not joking. This is insane. You gotta hop on this right now because, guys, this will no longer be around much longer. I can guarantee that. Because there's going to be so many people making money from this, insane amounts, that they're going to have to do something about it. They're going to have to decrease, or they're going to have to delete. And they're probably not going to delete, but they're going to have to decrease at some point. So make sure you guys hop on this quickly. Once again, guys, use my referral code by clicking where it says enter referral code of your friend, click go, and then enter my referral code right here, guys, also is in the description, W4RCBCR in all caps, and click boom. And guys, you have to be a new member within under 3 days of signing up in order to enter for a promo code or a code. So thank you guys to whoever does it. I appreciate it. So yeah, what you do is you click on this little home button on the left side at the bottom, and you can basically just watch these videos like TikTok. Like, look at this. It looks exactly like TikTok. And as you can see at the bottom, there's like this little thing that goes round and round. And what it does is it basically gives you money for watching videos. You can earn up to $1 per day, and that doesn't take long. Alright, it probably takes an hour, maybe at most, to get $1. Okay, guys, so you're spending an hour a day on this, you get $1 a day. That's $7 a week, and that's like $42 per month. That's crazy. That's absolutely insane, guys. Holy moly. But yes, guys, I do want to say thank you to anyone who uses my referral code. I appreciate it. Obviously, I showed you guys this app right here. I showed you guys this app, and I showed you how it works. And of course, I just gave you a tool to make money. So please, guys, all I ask in return is for you guys to use my referral code, which is in the description. I appreciate it. Guys, this works right now. Hop on this quick, because I can guarantee you they are going to limit this very, very soon. I'm not joking, guys. Hop on this quick. I've seen some people that have made over $1,000 in the first 24 hours from this app. I've seen people make over 400, 200 in the first day. This is crazy, guys. Hop on this right now. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and notifications on. Once again, use my referral code. Link is down below. Or not link, but the code is down below. And yeah, I appreciate anyone who does it. I will see you in the next video, everybody. Goodbye, people.